This is the beginning of an exciting section in which we will be speaking about using drones in agriculture. The benefits of drones in agriculture in today's world are substantial. I bet that in 2015, if you had asked almost any agricultural professional about the use of drones on the farm, almost all of them would likely never have considered it. Whereas today, it is one of the fastest growing areas of drone technology and is taking the world by storm, with Africa being a proving ground for drone technology. There are more and more powerful applications of drones on the farm being developed every year, and thousands of agricultural experts have turned to drone technology to increase yields and efficiencies. This powerful tool allows you to look at your farm in a precise and deliberate manner to detect crop health issues real time, accurately assess damage after weather events, and generate invaluable data that can greatly reduce costs while hugely increasing yields and reducing risks to farmers. In this section, we will look at some of the ways that remotely piloted aircraft systems are being used and how they can be effectively implemented. Let us begin.